Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project obstacle detector using IR LED and transistor. Now let's see what components we will need for this project. So we'll need one breadboard, one IR transmitter and receiver pair, two resistors of 1 kilo ohm, one resistor of 10 kilo ohm, one resistor of 470 ohm, two BC547 transistor, one LED, one buzzer, some connecting wires, one 9-volt battery with battery snapper. Now let's start the connections. So first of all, take IR transmitter. So this is also called as IR LED. It will emit the IR radiations. So we'll place this on the breadboard. Connect the anode of the LED to the positive rail of the breadboard and cathode anywhere on the breadboard, like this. Now take IR receiver. This is also called as a photodiode. It is going to receive the reflected IR radiations. Now we have to connect this to the breadboard. Connect the cathode to the positive rail of the breadboard and anode anywhere on the breadboard. Place this IR receiver close to the IR transmitter so that it can detect the radiations reflected. Like this. As you can see, the IR transmitter and receiver both are close to each other with a little bit gap in between. Now take a 470 ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the cathode of IR transmitter and another terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now take a 10 kilo ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the anode of IR receiver and another terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now take a BC547 transistor, keep the flat surface towards you and the terminals are collector, base, emitter. Place the transistor on the breadboard. Take another BC547 transistor and place it on the breadboard. Like this. Now take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard and another terminal to the collector terminal of transistor. Similarly, take another 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it between positive rail of the breadboard and collector of second transistor. Now connect the emitter of first transistor to the base terminal of second transistor. Now connect the base of first transistor to IR receiver. Now take one LED. The longer terminal is positive and the shorter terminal is negative. Connect the positive terminal of LED to emitter of second transistor and negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Take a buzzer, connect the positive terminal to the emitter of second transistor and negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. The connections are done. Now let's test the circuit. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive line of the breadboard and negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now let's check the output of the project. So as soon as I cover the IR transmitter receiver pair, the LED will turn on and the buzzer will start ringing. So this is how obstacle detector using IR LED and transistor project is going to work. Thank you.